Now, first you fill out the medical paper. You need to fill out that you are fine to dive, you know, that you're not like under drugs or things like that. And afterwards, when you check this one, we will check the equipment. He will explain everything.
My name is Joan. I come from Barcelona and I've been diving since I was 9 years old, so it's a long while already. I've been doing this professionally since I was 18 and I'm 25. Good. Let's talk about the gear we are using here. There's a tank. This is your tank actually. It's 10 liters. And here inside we have 200 bars of pressure. For you as example, a road from a car has got 2.5 bars. So we have here 100 times a car road. So it's a lot, but a lot of air. Because this air is so much high pressure, we cannot breathe it directly from the tank. So we use a regulator to reduce the pressure again from 200 bars to 1 bar. This is the pressure from the atmosphere, the pressure we are used to breathe. Yes?
Okay.
So I just opened this tank and this regulator has already reduced this pressure. And at the end, I'm using this one, you're going to use this one. I put this on my mouth. And only with the trial of breathing, there's a valve here that opens and gives me the amount of air I need. So I can breathe slowly like this. Or I can see a very big tuna or shark and be more overreacted. The thing is, it always gives me the air I need. And I recommend you to breathe slowly and calm, because this is the best option to stay calm inside the water. Breathing, it's connected with our brain, and by breathing slowly, we are going to relax. And that's our goal for today, is to be relaxed underwater. About the mask, it can happen that some water goes inside the mask, maybe because of the bar, maybe because of some hair from the front. And this water, it's annoying because it's on the nose. And if we think about breathing through the nose, we're gonna breathe this water, okay? And you're gonna cough a lot. So we have to focus on breathing in always to the mouth. And if we want to keep out this, to take out this water while we are diving, there's a very easy way to do it. It's pressing the upper part of the mask, looking to the surface while you are blowing out through the nose. By doing this, the air tries to flow up this way, but because it cannot, flows out this way, and it pushes the water out from the mask. It's like magical. Okay? You now don't believe me because it's magical, but once you see it, then you will say, wow,
Now
really
I
works.
Now I wanna have water in my mask.
Once we got used to the breathing and submerged, the surrounding peace and strange tranquility of floating transformed our perception of the sea forever. It is truly a remarkable force of nature, with many traits and many different faces, and we felt grateful to have had experience returning to its bosom.
There it is.
Beautiful.
On our last afternoon, we wanted to relax by the beach. We located a secluded place not far and drove there, called Playa des Colvais. The path that led to the water was through pine wood initially, with wild goats greeting us, giving way to a rocky descent to the beach.
Hola. Is this the way to the beach?
Yeah, it's difficult.
Difficult?
We didn't get there.
Really? Is that difficult?
Yeah, once you get to the rocks,
Uh-huh.
It was nice to get back home, but we need to get a new microphone for better audio. But putting that aside, these 6 days was a great way to experiment with cameras and explore the world of vlogging. It wasn't much of a rest, but it left us motivated, inspired and tanned.
A little bit tanned. Mallorca is a big island, definitely one to go back to and spend some more time hiking, exploring its history and swimming in the clear waters. We are already planning our next trip, but first we would like to hear your feedback. Please tell us what you think.